at Bernie Falls in Bernie, California. Wow. You're not this old. Ini học ra đây hậu mà. Đúng không? Nhưng mà tôi ra đây này, mà tôi nó có太多了。Yeah. Okay, walking down to the Bernie Falls, okay? Wow, there's little waterfalls on the side too. The major one is over here. It's so big and pretty. A lot bigger in person than it is in the photos. Ooh, look. Wow, look at this. Ooh, 你是坐那儿，你是坐本好多呢。坐那儿从高空高的，都是好的。Falls over here, and then some little falls right here. Ooh, 真够大了哦 Wow, look how pretty it is. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at all this. If you guys have never been here, you should come, okay? It's so pretty. There's some small waterfalls over here too. The only bad thing is that they don't let you swim in there. The water is so nice. Yeah.